Hi everyone, I'm Dr. George Michael here. Today my subject is GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disorder. This is one of the very commonest condition which we seen in the infants to till the old age. And especially it is very common in the pregnancy, after the pregnancy. Basic reason that's because laxity or loosening of the junction between esophagus and the stomach. That's basically weakening of the circular band of muscles within the esophagus that causes the acidic content of the stomach which regurgitates. That's a reversal flow from the stomach to the upper. We call it backflash. That causing inflammation, redness in the beginning phase. If it goes prognosis, it causes slightly bleeding in the junction, and if still neglected, that causes the ulcer formations. So few symptoms basically people present with severe heartburn, especially that is very severe towards the night time, disturbed sleeps, and dysphagia, the difficulty swallowing, disturbed sleeps, and very often the people get the taste of like very sour or bitter taste in the mouth. And usually people go to the over the counter prescription. They start taking few drugs like antacids, which is a mixture of aluminum magnesium preparations which temporarily subside the acid secretions, and they take the few H2 receptor blockers and a PPA. These drugs instantly gives result within 1 hour, but safe and alternative option to a permanent healing, switch over the natural medicines called homeopathy medications. Basically, what we do here, the safest method, the aim of the treatment is not to lifelong depend on these drugs. The moment you depend on drugs, that's called usually called habit forming drugs, because we need to take these drugs without any break so the rest of the life. That is what usually we have seen the patients. So few homeopathy medicines like Abis nigram, Abis canadiensis, Naxomica, Carbovage, okay, few like again the very long lasting medicines you get the constitution medicine, that is like after analyzing the individual case taking, understanding and discussing with the particular patients, by taking long term treatment we get to know most of the result. And main focus of the treatment is, if you don't take care of GERD, there are few chances of forming the ulceration in the esophageal junctions. Once starting the inflammation, once it follow up with the any kind of bleeding and ulcer formations, chances of recurrence little higher side. And you take the homeopathy medications for the safer side, and very alternative and very to be long lasting result, it gives the ultimate result to you. Have a good day.